bounce.
Hey, Duggee! Rolly, that's not nice. You wouldn't like it if you got hiccups, Rolly.
Now, come on, Squirrels. It's not really funny. This hiccuping is getting quite out of hand. I wonder if Duggee can help.
Yay! Hey, Duggee! We've got the hiccups. Yes, we've got the hiccups.
What they're trying to tell you, Duggee, is that they all have... Yes.